Hello. My name is Himu. My name is Himu.
What is your name?
My name is Big Bear.
Nice to meet you. How are you? How are you?
I am fine.
See you again. How old are you? I am 10 years old. I am 14 years old. Where do you live?
I live in the forest.
I live in a village.
Do you go to school?
I love my school. I love my school.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. My favorite color is blue. Where do you live? Rinde Parachikai.
Engan Jandai.
I live in the forest. I live in a village. Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. I love my school.
Pretty colors, aren't they?
What is your favorite color?
That is a very good question.
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice. My favorite animal is rabbit. My favorite animal is parrot.
What is your favorite game? My favorite game is cricket. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is apple. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is milk. My favorite drink is juice.
What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is math.
What weather do you like?
I like sunny days with clouds.
I like sunny weather.
What is your favorite toy? My favorite toy is train.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a robot. Do you like puzzles?
Yes, puzzles are my favorite toy.
Do you like building blocks?
Yes, blocks are my favorite toy.
Do you like kites?
Yes, I like kites.
Do you like spinning tops?
Yes, I like spinning tops.
Do you like drums?
Yes, I like drums.
Do you like airplanes?
Yes, I like airplanes.
Do you like yo-yos?
Yes, I like yo-yos.
Do you like boats?
Yes, I like boats.
Do you like dinosaurs? Yes, I like dinosaurs.
Do you like helicopters?
Yes, I like helicopters.
Thank you, Big Bear.
You are welcome, Himu.
How are you? I am fine. I am fine.
Where do you live?
I live in the forest. Thank you so much, teacher.
You are most welcome, Himu. Always remember what you have learned.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, friends. See you again soon. Please subscribe to Himu Tunes.
See you in the next video.